Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Garden in the Woods, and it's hydrangea time, and I'm super excited about this. Monday night when I got home from work, I was watching YouTube gardening shows and saw Proven Winners saying they were having their hydrangea sale. I was like, ooh! And next morning, because by 10 a.m. you could order everything that was on sale, and I put an order in at 5:30 in the morning, and today it's Wednesday at noon they were delivered. So I'm super excited because I was having second thoughts about, oh my gosh, it's been 90 degrees, should I order these, are they gonna get cooked in the truck? But I want you to see this, it's amazing. So when I got home, I opened the box immediately, just wondering what was I gonna find, and what I found is this. Beautiful. I was flabbergasted at how they look. These are packed perfectly, and I bought these flowers. I'm not, what is it, a sponsor? They don't sponsor me, so I just want to show you what I got. In my front beds, I wanted some small hydrangeas, and I can't find them around here. You just find the ones that are 3 feet and bigger. Well, these are going to be about 2.5 to 3 feet, so I'll keep them at the front of the border. So I just want to show you really quick the quality of how these were packed and what I ordered, and then maybe tomorrow I'm going to try to get them in the ground. But for now I want this out so people can find these two. So these are, I'm packing these for the first time. But look at this greenery. I got the Wee Bit Innocent. Perfect. And then one Gatsby Glow Ball. I've been looking for this. I have a few oak leaf hydrangeas. I got the pink one, and I just bought the moon one earlier this year. But this one gets 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. And I got Firelight Tidbit. Zone 3 through 8. 2 to 3 foot tall and wide. This beautiful white turns to pink. And it's small, so that's either going to go in the red pink border or maybe the pink border. And lastly, I got the Invincible Mini Mauvette. I have one of these in the center border of my purple bed. Zone 4 through 8, 2.5 foot to 3 foot tall. I just love the color. It's just a beautiful color. So this is the Mini Mauvette I already have in the middle of my purple bed. It didn't look this gorgeous last year, but I think it was the first year in the ground. But this year it just shines. So I saw and I needed more. So thanks a bunch for watching. We didn't show you a lot of flowers today. That's up and coming, because the hydrangeas are in bloom, and this is just the mini show, and I wanted this out there so anybody who's thinking about ordering hydrangeas from Proven Winners, do it, because these are beautiful and the sale is on right now. So thanks for watching Garden in the Woods. Keep pulling weeds and planting flowers.